Installing new windows in your Dallas home is an exciting upgrade that can enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or installing them in a new home, understanding the process can help you prepare and ensure everything goes smoothly. Here's a step-by-step guide to what you can expect during a professional window installation in Dallas. Initial consultation and assessment. The process begins with an initial consultation. During this phase, you'll discuss your goals, budget, and preferences with a window installation professional. They will assess your current windows, take measurements, and recommend options that suit your home and the Dallas climate. Key aspects of this stage include material selection. Choose from vinyl, wood, aluminum, or fiberglass frames based on durability, style, and energy efficiency. Glass options. Consider features like low-E coatings, double or triple panes, and gas fills, argon or krypton, to maximize energy savings. Custom sizing and design. Ensure the new windows fit perfectly and complement your home's aesthetics. Once you finalize your choices, you'll receive a detailed quote and timeline for the project. Pre-installation preparation. Before the installation day, both you and the contractor will need to make some preparations. Your responsibilities. Clear the areas around your windows by removing curtains, blinds, furniture, and decor. Ensure easy access to the windows, both inside and outside. Make arrangements to keep pets and children out of the work zones for safety. Contractor responsibilities. Deliver the windows and materials to your home. Confirm the installation date and ensure the work team is ready with all necessary tools. Removal of old windows. On installation day, the first step is removing the old windows. The installers will take care to protect your home during this process by laying drop cloths and using tools carefully to avoid damage. Steps include carefully removing the old window frames and sashes, inspecting the surrounding structure for damage like rot or mold, making necessary repairs to ensure the new windows will fit securely. This step is typically quick but may take longer if structural repairs are needed. Installation of new windows. Once the old windows are removed and the openings are prepped, the installers will begin fitting the new windows. The process includes placing the new windows. The new windows are carefully fitted into the openings and secured. Leveling and sealing. Installers ensure the windows are level and properly aligned. They then apply insulation and weatherproofing materials to create a tight seal. Fastening. The frames are fastened securely to prevent air leaks or movement. Trimming and finishing. Interior and exterior trim is installed to give the windows a polished look. Quality check and cleanup. After the installation, the team will perform a thorough quality check to ensure the windows are installed correctly and function smoothly. This includes testing the opening and closing mechanisms, locks, and seals. Once the inspection is complete, the crew will clean up the work area, removing debris, old windows, and any leftover materials. Your home will be left as clean as it was before the installation started. Final walkthrough and instructions. The installer will walk you through the newly installed windows, explaining their features and maintenance tips. This is your opportunity to test the windows yourself to ensure they operate as expected. Ask any questions about care, cleaning, or warranties. Most reputable companies in Dallas provide warranties for both the windows and the installation work, giving you peace of mind about your investment. Post-installation benefits. After your new windows are installed, you'll immediately notice several benefits, including improved energy efficiency. Your home will feel more comfortable, and you'll likely see a reduction in energy bills thanks to better insulation. Enhanced aesthetics. New windows can dramatically boost your home's curb appeal. Noise reduction. Modern windows are excellent at blocking outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Increased home value. High-quality windows can increase your property's resale value, especially in Dallas's competitive real estate market. Why choose professional installation? While DIY projects can be tempting, window installation is best left to professionals. A certified installer ensures proper sealing to avoid air leaks, precise fitting to prevent future problems, compliance with local building codes and regulations. Conclusion. A window installation in your Dallas home doesn't have to be a stressful experience. By understanding what to expect, from the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, you can prepare for a seamless process that delivers lasting benefits. With professional installation, your new windows will improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and style, making this investment well worth it. Ready to upgrade your windows? Contact a trusted window installation expert in Dallas today to get started.